best powder to call Stain Organics Premium Rajasthani Henna powder. It's just like so velvety. Oh my god, it's like touching crushed velvet. Don't mind my blue fingers. Sorry, I've been working in Jagwa, but this powder is actually produced by a single family who have been cultivating the henna seeds for 3 generations. That is decades that they've been saving the seeds of the good crops and the good plants and discarding the seeds of the plants that have not produced good color. So you literally have decades of cultivation in this powder. It's a family in Sojat, Rajasthan, which is, you know, the henna capital of the world. So when people ask me, like, why does the stain last so long? Why do my cones even have such a long lifespan? It's because of the phytochemistry, which means plant chemistry, of this beautiful powder, and the very beautiful family who have kept the seeds of the strongest plants and have kept that practice going literally for decades. Like, we're talking about more than 40 years, you know, and it's just, I'm so grateful to them. Oh god, it's just feels so good. Again, this is our flagship product, Stain Organics Premium Rajasthani Henna powder. It's all natural, and it is the first step towards having an amazing henna experience.